Anand, appreciate you joining us. All right, moving on. Assam Chief Minister Biswa Sarma makes a statement on the Zubeen Garg death case. He stated that, as promised, they have filed a charge sheet in the court, and a few have been charged with the murder. One has been charged with culpable homicide, and the other two PSOs have been charged with other culpabilities. Along with the main charge sheet, he stated that they have filed a charge sheet with almost 12,000 pages. He also stated, and I quote, "Although we have taken documents from Singapore, we have proved the case with our independent documents. We have filed the charge sheet in a way that the documents collected in Assam are sufficient to prove the charges. So now, after a prolonged investigation and a lot of hard labor, we have filed a charge sheet in court." Listen in.
As promised, we have filed a charge sheet today in the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate. It is under section 103 of BNS and other 11 sections. Few have been charged with murder. One have been charged with culpable homicide, and of course other two PSO has been charged with other charges. Now we have filed a charge sheet with almost 12,000 pages of documents, along with the main charge sheet, seizure, examination of witness, and it is a meticulously done exercise. Although we have taken documents from Singapore, but we have proved the case with our independent documents. Even if court says that no, Singapore documents is not admissible, we have filed a charge sheet in a way that the documents collected in Assam itself is sufficient to prove the charges. So now, after a prolonged investigation and lot of hard labor, we have filed a charge sheet into the court. We have all respect for our judiciary. We know about their independence. We know about their impartiality. And we know the way judiciary always give a victim justice and fair play.
All right, Nibir, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to talk more about this. Nibir, it's great that a charge sheet has been filed, and there is going to be an attempt to get to the bottom of what happened to Zubeen. But it's also important to understand that is there pressure to conclude this particular investigation in a limited time? Of course, we understand that Zubeen was extremely popular, but what's going on at this point in time with this entire scenario that unfolded in Singapore?
Well, absolutely. Today, the SIT led by Munna Prasad Gupta has filed the charge sheet, which we are getting to know has more than 10,000 pages, and that charge sheet has been submitted before the CJM court. What is crucial in that charge sheet is that 7 people who are in jail currently linked to the Zubeen Garg death case, 4 of the prime accused have been charged with murder, which is clearly stated by the SIT chief in his press briefing as well, and as also mentioned in the charge sheet. The remaining 3 are not charged with murder, but with different charges. So the 4 people, including the festival organizer Shamkanu Mohanto and the manager of Zubeen Garg, all have been charged with murder. And this charge sheet has been done extensively within the time period of 90 days. And the Assam police today submitted the charge sheet. But what is crucial now here is how the judicially it is interpreted and how the charge sheet gets admissible in the court and how the case takes forward, because now the matter is completely up to the judiciary. The SIT constituted by the Assam government has done its work, and now it's taken forward the case to a judicial angle. But what is crucial here is the future of those 4 people, because they have been charged with the highest of the high charges, and how it stands in the court of law will be known in the coming days, the coming months. But the case is going to be very crucial because a lot of emotions are attached to this case, because as you know that Zubeen Garg was very popular in the state and lakhs of people turn out during his funeral. And in the following month, the trial will be closely looked up by all the people of Assam. and to know how it unfolds. Back to you, Vinit.
All right. Nibal, thank you for joining us.